Hello everyone, welcome to Saki's Book and Cook. Our topic is Introduction to Biology, which is very important in all competitive exams as well as board exams. Here it is part 1 we are discussing today. In part 1 we learn about the basics of biology. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. In general, biology is nothing but the scientific study of life and living organisms. Biology is mainly characterized into two types, which is zoology and botany. Here, zoology is nothing but the science of branch which deals with animals. Father of zoology is Aristotle. Also, the father of biology is also Aristotle. Botany is science of branch deals with the plant life. And the father of botany is Theophrastus. The basic points of biology are cell, tissue, blood, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system and many more. Starting one is the study of cell, which is called as cytology or cell biology, which describes the structure and composition of cell. The simple definition of cell is fundamental, structural and functional unit of all living organisms. And cell is a word which is derived from Latin, which means a little room. All the cells are pre-existing in nature, which can be found in a living organism or a dead organism. In 1665, Robert Hooke discovered cell from a cork section. Cells are extremely small and magnified and viewed through different types of microscopes. The different types of microscopes are simple microscope, compound microscope and electron microscope. Cell is of any shape, either cubical, rectangular, cube, that is, cell is irregular in shape. If we take an example of size of variation of cell, the smallest cell is Mycoplasma galliseptium and the largest animal cell is ostrich egg and the largest human cell is nerve cell. Cells are mainly characterized into two types on basis of nuclear organization, that is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. To prokaryotic cell, which is a primitive cell which having three basic structures and doesn't have nuclear membrane. Eukaryotic cell is an advanced cell which contain membrane. Unicellular and multicellular animals have eukaryotic cells. And come to this is the structure of cell which contain plasma cell membrane, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, ribosome, cytoplasm and DNA. Each cell organisms have its own functional unit and structure. The cell can be viewed through any of the microscopes, simple microscope, compound microscope and electron microscope, which vary the power. Electron microscope is widely used by professionals. These are the structures of prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Here we can see the difference, that is prokaryotic cell lack of nuclear membrane and eukaryotic cell have nuclear membrane, which is an advanced cell. We can easily find difference between these two. Example of eukaryotic cell is fungi. Thank you for watching.